When your 7-day free trial ends, the license will become invalid, and you'll see a message notifying you that your license status is now invalid. At this point, you have two options. If you decide the add-in isn't for you, you can simply uninstall it. However, if you've found it useful, and I hope you have, I encourage you to provide feedback if you've encountered any issues. Your input helps me improve the product and ensure it offers you enough value to consider purchasing a license key. Purchasing a license not only supports ongoing development, but also funds the addition of new features to make this tool even better. So your support is truly appreciated. If you choose to activate a license, start by closing the invalid license message. Next, go to the XLNavigator ribbon tab in Excel, click on Date Picker, and select About. Here's where you'll enter your license key. To activate your license, click the Activate License button. Enter the email address you used when signing up or purchasing the add-in on XLNavigator.com. Copy your license key from your user dashboard or the email you received after purchasing the license through Stripe. Paste the license key into the field provided and click Activate. Once activated, your license will unlock full functionality, and you'll have a lifetime license to use the product. You can also install the license key on up to 3 different PCs simultaneously. If you ever need to transfer the license to another PC, you can release an activation from your user dashboard. Simply log in, check your current activations, and remove one if needed. This will free up the license for use on a new device. That's it! You're now ready to enjoy the XLNavigator Excel, Date Picker, and Calendar add-in to its fullest. Thank you for your support.